Alright, so here we have the parts for the kickstand. We've got the kickstand itself, we've got a spring, and we've got this this bolt. What's interesting and thing about this bolt is it's actually have a hole in the end, a threaded hole in the end. Don't yet know what that's all about, but this hex head is 14 millimeter, so let's put that on. Now the back side of the kickstand here is actually threaded, and that is for this bolt. Now the spring underneath here, I'll get a better view for you. There's a tab on here, and there's a tab on the kickstand, and we're going to stretch the spring between the two, and that way when you put the kickstand up, the spring tension will hold it up in place. Alright, that wasn't a whole lot of fun. That is one strong spring. Basically what I did is grab the bottom edge with this vice grip and pull until I just got it hooked up. So there we are. Nothing like starting to scratch the paint right away, huh? It's a kickstand. It's going to get kicked anyway. Alright, so now we're going to work on the foot pegs. And we've got obviously a right and a left. So make sure that you're using the right one. This is going to be the left one. And the hardware we have for this, we've got a clevis pin and the spring and the little tiny cotter pin and a washer. And the theory behind it is that the clevis pin goes in here, then the washer and the cotter pin hold it in place. However, the spring needs to be inside there so that this could be pushed down in the down position all the time, but bounce up if needed, say if you dump the bike or whatever. So this might be a little tricky, but I think we're going to take the L part of that spring, and that's going to go on the frame of the bike, and basically the clevis pin has to go through the spring like that. So let's get it started. There we go. Push the spring down. I wonder what I can use to push on that with. Oh, I got it. Nice. And then we'll put this in. And we'll put the little cotter pin in. And bend that over. Alright, now we'll do the other side.